This Toronto restaurant uses dry-aged meats and freshly imported seafood to create one-of-a-kind Asian fusion dishes.
I'll gladly take another bite.
Fish and Loaf was born out of the owner's desire to feed the people, which is why their name references the biblical stories of Jesus feeding the masses. With this in mind, John and Christy have curated a space to serve a mix of seafood and meat dishes.
A5 Japanese Wagyu, and basically they alternate between two different types of Japanese Wagyu here. Wow, it's very easy to chew, very juicy. And now we're gonna do the spicy cumin chicken. Nice and crispy on the outside, certain portions, and then the inside still nice and juicy as well. I have dry-aged Iberico pork. This also looks delicious. That's full of flavor.
Their menu is largely Chinese-inspired, but the techniques used are primarily Japanese and European. It's a fusion of these different cultures because Chef John wants there to be a unique variety of dishes available to customers.
I'm excited for this grass-fed strip loin, Australian grass-fed strip loin to be exact. Dry-aged, once again, just like the pork. The dry-aged part definitely does something. We have the scallop, grilled scallop. You can either get this grilled or it'll come raw, or you can get half and half. Yeah, can't go wrong with scallop. Okay, this grilled lobster, it's about to be in my tummy.
Visit Fish and Loaf at 41 Lebovic Avenue, Unit A117.